Standard 6th Maths, first chapter, Basic Concepts in Geometry. First, we will study points, then segment, then line, and then ray. Points. A point is shown by a tiny dot. Capital letters of the alphabet are used to name a point. For example, point P, point A, point T. The tip of a pencil can be thought as a point. Something more. Three or more points which lie on a single straight line are said to be collinear points. Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Some amazing facts. An infinite number of lines can be drawn through one point. Segment. A line segment is a straight path with two end points. Can you measure a segment? Yes, you can. This is because at a certain point the line segment ends. To name a line segment, use its end points. For example, segment AB or BA. Line. A line is drawn with arrows on both the sides. Can you measure a line? No, we cannot measure a line because a line never ends. In a line, there are no end points. It can be extended to any limit. In the given figure, the point A and point B are not the end points as in a segment, but they are one of the points on the line. A line can have numeral points. To name a line, use any 2 points on it. For example, line AB or line BA. Something more. When two or more lines pass through a single point, they are concurrent with each other. These lines are known as concurrent lines. A point which is common to all those lines is called the point of concurrency. In the above figure, many lines are passing through a single point O. So here these lines are known as concurrent lines and point O is known as the point of concurrence. Ray. A ray is a straight path of points that start at one point and keeps on going in one direction forever. Can you measure a ray? No, we cannot measure a ray. This is because a ray is like a line, never ends. To name a ray, start from its start point and end at any point on the other side. For example, ray XY, but not YX. Plane. Look at the pictures. What kind of surface do you see? The surface in the pictures are flat. Each flat surface is a part of an infinite surface. In mathematics, a flat surface is called a plane. Parallel lines. Look at this page from a notebook. Is the difference between each line is the same? Yes, the difference between each straight line is the same. That means these lines are parallel lines. Lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect are said to be parallel to each other. For example, are these lines parallel? Yes, they are because both of them are straight lines with same angle. Are these lines parallel? No, they are not because they are intersecting each other and their angles are different. Hence, they are called intersecting lines.